pretties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm getting ready for work, as you guys can see, and I was like, let me just vlog today and show you guys my hair and stuff like that. So I have my wig here. I tried to pluck the part as best as I could. It probably looks bad, but sorry. It's supposed to be body wave, but I don't know how to put the body wave back into my hair because it's not really body wave anymore like it was before. But this hair is from unicehair, or unicehair. And yeah, this came in this box. It's 24 inches Brazilian hair, body wave. And literally another company sent me this exact same wig, so I'm just like, right? So here's the wig or whatever. I plucked the part as best as I could. I didn't bleach the knots, so what I'm gonna do is just put makeup on the lace. And yeah, I put that hot comb on it because I woke up like super early to do my hair. So yeah, I never cut my lace on camera, but I'm gonna try today. This freaking strap. So I'm gonna cut my lace so it'll match my hairline. It came with some long ass baby hairs, like, jeez. Alright, so I'm gonna glue it down first and I'm gonna put makeup here. So yeah. I like this baby hairs is way too long. I don't really want too much baby hairs. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. So I'm just gonna do like the baby hairs in the front because that's where I mainly like it. If we being honest. Okay. Y'all hear that, right? Alright guys, but this hair, it was soft and all that, but it's like no body wave no more, so I'm like very confused. It's really silky and soft, like it's like so like body. It got some body, but it's like, where's the wavy? It's like, you feel I'm not retarded. Oh, I like this baby hair. Okay. Alright guys, I only did one baby hair. I'm like, I like this. Okay. So I'm gonna let this, well, I don't gotta do anything. I don't know what I'm talking about. Well, I do need to do my makeup now. Today we're gonna be listening to our podcast, or I forgot what I was supposed to do, honestly. I made a podcast though on Friday, so your girl got a podcast now. But let me start doing my makeup because baby, I already washed my face and stuff and used my clear cell pad, whatever the case is. I use my tea tree oil. Not too much though. I need a time check. Alright guys. So I got like 20 minutes to do my face. I'm supposed to pick up my cream from the from the pharmacy. I don't know when I'm gonna do that. Hair's getting everywhere. Not feeling it. That was basically to help with my black spots and stuff and my acne. I will take my Black Radiance dry oil, but I don't feel like doing that today. I'm gonna take my Black Radiance liquid radiance highlighter in the color Gold Dust. I'm not gonna use no primer today because I feel like the primer is breaking me out. I don't know. Something's breaking me out. I feel little pimples on my oh. I just like rub this in, honestly, because this highlight is so like powerful. I put it under my skin, so when I put under my foundation, so when I put my foundation on top, you can still see it, but it won't be like as dramatic. hours later.
Alrighty then.
Everyone's really excited. They haven't listened to podcasts thus far. The question again was, yeah, there's a lot of like science and
Alright guys, so now I'm going to lunch because it's lunch break. But I'm the only one I want to go out. So, oh, wow. People forgetting this dumb thing you gotta push to open the door. So yeah, I'm going to White Castle. I think I know LA. Until a certain point, you know. But I'm not putting my glasses on. But watch, as soon as I put my glasses on, the sun goes down. Told you. Whew. But yeah. Alright guys, so today basically, right, I was watching my boss like actually do a podcast live to see how that works, because like I told you guys on Friday, he says Thursday, but I think it was Friday, but Friday or Thursday we did our own podcast called Not a TED Talk. So yeah, basically my assignment was to figure out what topics to do for next month, because we're gonna do it like monthly, not like weekly or yearly, just monthly. So yeah, this month we talk about relationships and stuff like that. Next month I pick it. So I'm thinking like, I was thinking, well actually you guys could help me. I mean August is coming. A lot of people probably like, when you're back to school videos. I don't go back to school until September 9th, something like that. So I ain't doing that no time soon. Like, I ain't even think about school right now. I'm still on summer vacation like for a whole another month. But yeah, I don't know if I showed you guys my outfit. I probably did. If I find a mirror, I'll show you guys. But my top, I got it really like a long time ago, so I don't know where it's from. But I'm gonna find a mirror so I can show you guys. Yeah, I remember I used to beg to get on these rides when I was mad little. These rides is whack. Alright guys, so I realized I need to go to Beauty Supply store because I need some developer and bleach. Yeah, because I could bleach my knots. Because I got mad wigs need to bleach knots first, so I really don't want to carry it, but it's whatever. Luckily I have my bag. I just don't know where stuff is. Oh, I found it. That was easy. Well, I found the bleach, and this is mad big. No, that's too heavy to carry. You know, I'm gonna just buy it tomorrow at my house. I can bring it back. No, ma'am. They have the color I want to do. I don't know if I want to do coral or pink petal. It's cute. Which one? Coral or pink petal? Comment down below. Because, baby, I need that color back to school. Oh, it's hot. Let me get my food. I don't got time for this right now. We'll go next month. Yum, yum. Alright, guys. So I was like, I hope I come back at 4:30 so I can have 3 minutes sleep. And girl, I came back at 4:31. Perfect timing. It was a long walk though. You gotta tired, mama. Okay.
Any idea what that is down there? The mega trees? That's right, boy, the mega.
Alright guys, so it's the end of the day. So I'm gonna have to make this only place I got a mirror. And I told you guys I'll find a mirror to show you guys my outfit. Hopefully I take pictures. But I gotta pee. That's really why I came here. Because I would have been left because this bathroom is creepy. I keep telling y'all this, but I'll show y'all my outfit. I'll show you guys my outfit. Oh. Yeah, they're just some shorts. I do the shorts I can wear with my bodysuit. That's the whole point of me getting it. You know, I got this bodysuit like last year for back to school. But boots. see y'all there. I am tired. Like, so tired. Oh my, yo guys, hold on. Because did y'all see my hair? I did it on my own. Like, I rushed and everything. But still. Oh, well, I didn't really like, I kind of plugged the sides a little bit, but I didn't have time for all that. You know what I'm saying? I had to go to work, so couldn't be late. The episode's really good. Not sponsored, but should be. Anyway, get into it. Anyways, guys, get into it. What lace? What lace, baby? Let me know. Ooh, what lace? I did it by myself. Y'all saw me, period. Yo, this hair is so nice, guys. Y'all can't tell me it's not fire. My mom was like, you bleached the knots? I said, no, baby. We just plucked and add some makeup, period. Look how my hair looks. It's 24 inches. Girl, I got you some pictures. I'll be back. So I'm about to go to Target with my mom. Well, if she takes me to Target. That's the only reason why I'm gonna go with her to take me to Target. So, yeah. Look at Kevin. Vlogging. Alright, guys. So I just came back, as you guys could see, shopping and doing that my back to school surprise haul video at Target and picking up my boyfriend. And it's almost 4 o'clock in the morning and I have work tomorrow or today. Yay, luckily I have to be at work at 1 o'clock. I'm going to go to sleep, guys, and I actually remembered to say bye. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you UNice for sending me this hair because baby, what ladies, period. We love. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye, pretties.